Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Ubuntu 22.04 on Oracle VirtualBox. First we need Ubuntu ISO file. This can be downloaded on Ubuntu official website. Wait for it to download complete. When ready, launch your Oracle VirtualBox. If you do not have it yet, you need to install it on your local machine. I will have separate tutorial on how to install it. Go to Machine tab and click New. Name your Ubuntu workstation. Locate the destination where you want to put the installation folder. For type, select Linux. For version, it should be Ubuntu 64-bit. Set the memory size. The memory size is at least 24 MB. In this case, I will set it as 2048 or 2 GB. And hard disk. Since we are installing new operating system, select Create New Hard Disk. Then click Create. On the next page, set the hard disk size. The size should have at least 20 GB for installation to cover. Then click Continue. Now the profile has been created. Few items still need to fix. Go to Settings tab. Leave every item on General as default. Next, for System. Important thing here is if you want to adjust the number of processor. In this case, we will make it 2 processor. That is the only change needed on System tab. On the storage, click Optical Disk and select the ISO file that was downloaded. This will be U installation. Media, or your operating system boot. Another important settings to be considered. If you want your workstation to have internet connection, on the Network tab, choose Bridge Network and make sure Connect Cable is checked. That's it. Leave everything default and then click OK. Now it's time to power on the server. Click Start, wait for it to launch. It will prompt again to confirm the ISO media is correct. If you confirm it is correct, just click OK. Enter the highlighted try or install Ubuntu. The installation is now starting. Follow the installation prompt. Click Install Ubuntu. Choose Prefer Language. For this demo, we will uncheck the download upgrade. We can still upgrade it after the installation. Since it is fresh installation, we will just erase everything. Select your location on the map. Supply your login credential. We will name this as Technical Tutorial. Set the password, then proceed. The installation is now in progress. This will take several time. I will pause the video, then come back for the last part. Now the installation is completed. It will prompt you to restart the server. This will make the installation clean. Click Restart now. Wait for the restart to complete. And that's it. You can now use your Ubuntu operating system. Log into it using your credential set on previous steps. Set up your profile. That concludes our tutorial for installation of Ubuntu 22.04 on Oracle VirtualBox. Thank you. Watch out for more videos on my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.